Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you ready to level up your computer science note-taking game using Notion? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up stunning, organized, and perfectly tailored computer science notes using a free Notion template. By the end, you'll have a professional-looking dashboard ready for all your classes, and you'll know how to make it entirely your own. Let's dive right in and get your digital note-taking looking like a pro. To start off, we're going to take advantage of one of Notion's biggest strengths, its huge gallery of customizable templates. Using a template will save you a ton of time and give your notes a cohesive, polished feel right from the beginning. And don't worry, these templates are 100% customizable, so you can tweak everything to fit your own style later on. Once you're inside Notion, focus your attention on the upper left corner. You'll see a little drop-down menu. This is your main navigation hub. Go ahead and click on that. Sometimes people overlook these menus, but they're where all the magic happens. From here, you'll want to look for more options. Give that a click and then select Browse Templates. This step is really important because Notion's template database can act like a shortcut, instantly setting you up with frameworks that would otherwise take hours to build from scratch. Now in the search bar, type Computer Science Notes Dashboard. Notion has several community-created templates just for this purpose, and you can browse through different designs until you find one that really catches your eye. Don't rush this part, it's a little like picking a notebook in a stationery store. Choose one that feels intuitive and motivating for you. You'll be spending a lot of time with it. Once you've found your ideal dashboard, highlight it and select Add. This will drop the entire template straight into your Notion workspace. Depending on your connection, it may take a moment or two. If it does, don't worry, that's totally normal. Now your template is ready and sitting in your Notion. Take a second to look around and notice how it's structured. Most computer science note templates come with pre-built sections for lectures, projects, deadlines, and resources. This structure isn't just for looks. It's designed to help you find information quickly, manage your projects, and never miss an assignment or test. Imagine having all your complex algorithms, code snippets, and lecture notes neatly organized just a click away. That's the power of these dashboards. At this point, go ahead and add your credentials like your name, course title, or semester, whatever makes it feel like yours. This helps personalize your notes right from the get-go. And if you're a visual person, take advantage of the creative sections. You can paste in diagrams, flowcharts, or even inspirational quotes to keep yourself on track. Feel free to edit the layout, change colors, or add extra pages. The beauty of Notion is that you're never locked in. It's as flexible as you need it to be, and that's pretty much it. With just a few clicks, you've set up a sleek, professional-grade note-taking workspace in Notion, ready to handle even your toughest computer science classes. Remember, organization doesn't have to be a chore, and with templates, you've got a head start. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like. And if you have any questions or want tips for customizing your setup even further, leave a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.